Okay, so we've bored it through now. I've already cut one off 11mm, and I've just set that all up again. Set the calipers up to 11mm, allow for the cut like so. So reset the cut off tool because it was chattering a bit, probably because it was a little bit high on the work. It's now been reset, so let's go for another cut for the second one. Okay, plenty of lubricant. There's quite a bit of chattering here. I think maybe the blade is a bit long, but we'll give it a go. Sounds good, doesn't it? Right, here we go, should be cut off now. Well, here I'm probably not bored in far enough. Because by now this should have cut off, and you've heard a couple of those nasty bangs at the tool, which is not good. There we go, all cut off. All cut off now. Turn off the machine safely. Mrs. H just walked in. I asked her to say nothing, because obviously when you're playing around with this stuff, it can get quite dangerous. And that bang, I need to check that tool now to see what the bang was. I think it was chatter, but we'll see. That's now very hot. Job done. GoPro, stop recording.